I just found out that iPhones have a feature where you take a picture of a plant and then it identifies it for you. I'm a little skeptical, so I want to give it a shot and test it out with 3 different levels. I'm going to call them easy, medium, hard, and start with like rubber plants and end with oblique ones. So let's see what it can do. First up, Ficus teneki. Go to your picture and click on the eye at the bottom and then click on look up plant. This one is easy, so thankfully it did get it. Let's see if it can handle Streptococcus. This one was easy. I'm not impressed. Okay, let's level up and try Aglaonema. And nice, it got it. Can it do Begonia listata? Hey, it got listata down to the species. What about Alocasia? Apparently it doesn't think dragon scale is a plant because there is no ID button. That's a fail. Can it handle Syngonium? It doesn't say it's an albo, but it did get it. This one could be medium or hard, but let's see if it can do Philodendron. It doesn't know it's a ring of fire, but it did get to the family name at least. What about Begonia Sarawak? I'm officially calling this level hard. Oh yeah, I'm not surprised it didn't get it, but it's not a succulent. Come on, Apple. I wonder if it would recognize Monstera Thai constellation without any fenestrations. Nope, it thinks it's a pothos. That's not surprising though. Okay, now for the true test. Let's see if it can handle Monstera obliqua. It recognized that it's a Monstera, which is good, but then it followed it up by saying it's Monstera deliciosa, and it's not, it's obliqua. So there you have it. It's not the most accurate tool out there, but it did better than I thought it would. It actually got lots of the medium plants and down to the families on some of the harder plants. Although it didn't think this Alocasia cuprea was a plant at all, so, you know. I would use it if you don't know what something is, take a picture and it'll get you close, and then you can Google it from there. Either way, thanks Apple, that was pretty cool.